Let's learn about comparing a range of values. Interpret the inequality -7 is less than 2. Describe and draw their positions on a number line. Let's draw the number line here first. We have -7, so let's start with -8. Let's work our way up. -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We made it. We have the 2 as well. So now let's plot their positions. -7 right here, put a dot right there at -7 for that one, and 2 right here, a +2 right there. So now we've plotted -7 and a +2. Now what does this tell us? Well, -7 is less than 2, meaning -7 is more to the left of a +2. So -7 is less than 2, means -7 is more to the left of a +2. I hope you learned something here about comparing a range of values. And as always, thanks for watching.